Hello friends! Ano na? Kumusta na kayo? Yan, naging super busy kami. Kaya ang tagal walang vlog. At ngayon, it's a Sunday and we are out and about. Ayan, pasyalan natin yung Burwood, Chinatown. Ang Chinatown dito sa Sydney. Ayan. First time naming pupunta doon ngayon. So, mag-food trip tayo. Samahan nyo kami. At magpapakabusog tayo ngayon. Okay? Walang diet-diet. Mukbang tayo ngayon. Mukbang. Hi, Kian!
Hi!
Say hello to everyone. Dada's driving. Ayun si Dada. Ayan, kita-kita tayo sa Chinatown. Ayan, so naglalakad na kami papunta ng Chinatown dito sa Burwood. And it's still winter at the moment here in Sydney. Lahat ay naka-jacket pa. Kian and Dada walking together. And si Kian, ang daming dala-dala. Gusto dalhin lahat ang kanyang drinks. Oh, di ba? Dada's carrying Kian's bag full of snack and other stuff. Club Burwood. Ang RSL ng Burwood ito. RSL Club. Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa busy part ng Burwood. Nakakaamoy na ako ng masarap na foods. There's a lot of restaurants. Hungry Jacks. Ayan. Hindi mawawala ang Hungry Jacks. Okay. We'll see you again pag nasa Chinatown na kami. Ayan o, ang dami mga ano rito. Restaurants. Ayan, oh. Ano to? Open to pag night time. O, diba? Yun. Marami pang restaurants banda ron. Oh, nice. Tara! Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Late na naman kami nagising. Kaya, ito ang aming first meal of the day. Woo! Ayan. Ganda. Very colorful naman dito. Ah, what's that? Takoyaki? Oo nga, takoyaki nga.
Feels like Japan.
Ah, na-miss tuloy ni Dada yung Japan. Hindi China. Japan. O, diba? O. Ang daming tao dito. Pero ang ganda, o. Tingnan niya. Ang ganda ng vibes. O, diba? Nakakaano siya, nakaka-excite. Ang cute to. Ang cute, di ba? Tara, panik tayo.
See there? Yeah. Oh, look, Nana. Mama.
Where's Kian? Ang cute dito, oh, mag-picture. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Okay, let's look for something to eat. Ito na nga, Diyos ko. Nandito kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Ang daming tao dun sa taas. So, yes. Dito tayo kakain sa Vietnamese. Pho. Pho.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're in a restaurant, and also we have coconut thing, and also Dada and Mama and my tablet, my water bottle, my thing. It's just for hiding my muesli bowl.
Try the coconut juice.
Okay. I like it.
It's yummy, huh?
Yeah. Can I have it? Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel.
Ayan, so naka-order na si Dada. I'm getting pho. And si Dada naman ay laksa. Is it your first time to try laksa?
No.
Yeah, so si Kian, hati lang kami. Pho daw ang gusto niya. Actually, ang gusto ko sana, egg noodles with chicken. Masarap din naman yung pho. Si Kian gusto niya pho. Okay, we'll get pho then. And this kid, inubos na yung coconut juice before pa dumating yung pho. Wait for your noodles, Kian. Ayan, so late na nga kami natulog kagabi, mga 2 a.m. na yata. Kaya nagising kami late din. So it's currently, anong oras na ba? 1 o'clock. And this is our first meal of the day. Very late na. Brunch na to, brunch. So, ayun. Nandito kami sa Chinatown. Pero may restaurant dito ng Vietnamese. So, kain kami ng Vietnamese soup muna. And later on, siguro dessert or something dun sa loob. Ayun ang kay Dada. Andito na, laksa. And my phone. Let's enjoy. Dito kami sa playground after eating our lunch. Ito, naglalaro na naman si Kian. Laro muna siya.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it's yummy.
My laksa was pretty good.
Yep. Masarap nga yung laksa ni Dada. Spicy siya pero mild lang. Ako pho. Pero hindi ko naubos. Dalawa na nga kaming kumain.
To find some dessert.
Yeah, we have a lot of dessert. A lot of dessert inside. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sa. Kapag gabi, ayan, puro ano yan, lights, apparently. So, yan, mas maganda pag gabi dito. Diba? Yan. Malamig. Paglabas namin, ang lamig kasi nga, galing kami, kumain kami ng soup. Asa si Kian? Ayun si Kian. Andun siya. We gonna get some desserts later. Ice cream. Kahit winter ice cream. What do you wanna have for dessert, Dada? Si Dada.
Oh, there's a lot of places here. There's a lot to choose from. You just walk around and see what there is.
Nakakita ko nung dessert sa Japan, yung nasa stick, yung mga bilog, yung bilog, parang yun kasi nung tinry ko sa Japan dati, siya, parang glutinous rice. Yan, meron din sila dito. Actually, hindi lang naman Chinese foods ang nandito Vietnamese, Japanese, Korean, Asian, ha?
Yeah.
So, yep. Maganda siyang puntahan. Kung gusto niyo mag-food trip, ayan. Masarap dito. Okay. Wait, there's a train station there pala. Is that the Burwood train station?
Yeah.
Okay. Mga apartments. Ayun si Kian. Nakapaligiran ng apartments ang Chinatown. Ayan, sa mga lahat ng subscribers namin, especially sa mga taga-Pinas, thank you po for subscribing, and kung po meron kayong mga places or something that you guys want us to do, just comment down below para po makagawa rin po kami ng video na gusto nyong mapanood. Mahal, say thank you to all our subscribers from Philippines. Ayan, sana po dumami pa tayo. Dati 1 or 2 subscribers, very happy na kami. Ngayon 30 na tayo. O, diba? Sana po lalo pa tayong dumami. Hey, are you finished playing?
No.
Thank you.
Enjoy lunch.
You too.
Wow.
So here we have mango sticky rice
Dada, let's
with
just get
coconut ice cream.
Dada, let's just get the. I want the strawberry ice cream down there.
Yum. I don't think I've ever tried Thai dessert before. This is pretty good. Even though this is a Chinatown, there's a lot of Thai places and Japanese places in here. So whatever you want. This is so good. There's a Japanese place in there. Let me try and zoom. It's got a robot in there that serves your food and everything.
So, pauwi na po kami. Busog na kami. Did you enjoy your day, Kian? Thank you, Dada.
And also, Mama
Yes.
bought me a drink, but I lost it. But here it is. I
Oh
put
my.
it there. And also have my
You're
bottle.
trying to trick them.
Yeah. And I eat my muesli bar. My water bottle is here. I'm playing a game. My tablet's here. Dad and Mama's here.
Yes, and you asked for strawberry ice cream and you didn't finish it. Mama finished everything.
Yeah, because I didn't like it.
I ate a lot today.
And you know what I didn't like? I didn't like the chocolate and the sprinkle.
Okay, so ayun na nga. Burwood Chinatown is worth
I'm playing Sonic
a visit.
game.
Ayan. So, kung gusto nyong mag-food trip,
I'm playing
pasyalan
Sonic
nyo
game.
ang Chinatown sa Burwood.
Look, I'm playing Sonic game.
So, yung kinain namin, nag-ano nga kami, di ba, ng Vietnamese noodle soup, pho and laksa, and then we had
A playground.
sticky rice, mango sticky rice pho. What's happened?
And we went to and I played in a playground.
Yes, Kian played in a playground inside the Chinatown.
Yeah.
And then, ayun nga, kumain kami ng mango sticky rice. It was really good. Dada, is it your first time to eat sticky rice? Mango sticky rice or what? Yeah, so Dada it's Dada's first time to eat the mango sticky rice. He loved it. Ako, gusto ko talaga yun. Nakakain na ako dati noon. And I love that.
My ice cream a little.
A little. And then si Kia, nag-ice cream siya. Hindi naman inubos. Ay, kinain ko rin. Ako rin ang kumain. Tapos, ayun.
Going home now.
Yes, we're going home. We're on the way home. And
Driving.
sana guys, mag-enjoy kayo sa aming mini vlog today. Hindi mahaba to, maiksing vlog lang. Pero yeah, we just wanted to show you guys the Chinatown here in Sydney. At samahan nyo kami sa susunod naming vlog. At yes, I don't know, baka may ayoko magsalita naman. Ayoko pang pero we're planning of planning for another
We had fun.
nice holiday
We
maybe.
had fun and
Maybe.
we went to a holiday. And then we're back to Australia.
Yeah, that's when we went to Japan and Philippines. And yep, we'll keep you guys updated.
Give me the camera. The camera.
Okay, so here's Kian. He wanted to say something.
Hello guys, and we are outside. I enjoy with my family, and also look at outside. See? It's so good, right? And it's a good weather today. And look, I'm playing Sonic game. Sonic. I'm Sonic.
to all our subscribers.
Hello, all of my subscribers.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
And hope you're enjoying all our vlogs.
I hope you're doing well in our vlogs. And also that I'm playing Sonic game, and do you want to see? Look at this, how many new guys I got. It's Sonic's friend. It's Sonic's friend. And also, look, and that house. It's so cool, right? And also, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.